I want to talk just briefly about keeping your website ordered. So I'm going to get out of this particular page, which is sample, the one I've been working with. Okay, so I'm working on that page, and it's not showing up when I come to pages. It's actually in the drafts because I haven't published it, and I don't actually want this page. So I'm going to say on this sample one, I'm going to say, I'd like you to trash this. It's not easy to find that. You always have to go to the three dots and see what your menu options are, but I'm just going to go ahead and trash that. It's not actually trashed until I go up to the top and to the fourth option, which is trashed, and I say, no, really, I want you to delete that. And it'll ask me if I want to get rid of it permanently, and of course I do. So I've got in my published a set of options. I've got in my drafts a set of options, usually. I have scheduled, which might be pages that come in at a certain time. But for right now, I just have these 4 templates that are here. So in terms of cleaning things up, I can do that on both the pages and the posts. I can also do that in media. You'll see that I didn't realize I was uploading this every time. So I can come in here and select some of these and delete them so that things load a little quicker. I want to have one tulip and one of the others, and so I'm going to say trash those, and it's going to say, do you really want to do that? And I'm going to say, yes, I do. You can see that WordPress handed in a couple of these that I don't need, so I'm going to delete those as well. So just cleaning up